Hello, my name is Siddharth and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will talk about how we can subset a vector or a list. This is a little concept but it is more important in our programming language. So let's start. So first of all, what we will do is we will first declare a vector, and you know how we can declare a vector, and we want the value from 2 to 9, let's say. And now if we will print this particular vector, then we will get the value from 2 to 9, as you can see it here in console. So after that, let us see that how we can subset this vector. Subset means how we can get some of the element from this vector. So for using subset, what we will do is we will just make this, and then here we can assign the value. So if you want the value from 4th index to 7th index, let's say, so we will write from the index 2nd to index 7 I want the value. So this particular thing you have to write, and when you will execute this following line of code, then you can see that this is our entire vector and we are getting the values from 2nd index to 7. As we know that the index start from 1, so the second value will be 1 and 2, so we are getting value from 3. So after that, this is the case of subsetting in vector. We can subset a list as well, but here the story is something else. So we will know what that particular story is. So for that, first of all, we will make a variable. So here I am making a variable and will store a list. This is the way how we create list. Here we will pass some parameters and some numerical value and a boolean value. So after that, now let us subset this list. So to subset this list, we can use the same method, that is we can subset with this method also. So from 3 to 6, let's say we want the value. So you can see here that we will get the value as a matrix, and we will get the matrix one by one. We will get the value one by one. Let us see. Here you can see that we are getting a 2D array here, and we are getting the value as one by one. As first we got dam, and then we got the 2, and then we got 3, and then we got the 4. So first dam, third value, then 2, 3, and then 4. So this is the way how we just do subset in vector and list. This is a small concept but is very helpful in later section. So this is all in this video. In the next video, we will talk about how we can perform linear regression with the help of R programming language. Yes, you have heard it right. We will perform linear regression in the next video. So I have also a playlist, that is machine learning for data science, where I have described that how we can do practical implementation of logistic regression and linear regression with the help of Python. And in this next video, we will talk about how we can do linear regression with the help of R language. So that's all in this video. Thank you for your time.